Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have the new iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange, and I'm going to show you guys how to put a Zagg screen protector on. I've been putting screen protectors on for over 10 years, and I probably put over 1,000 to 2,000 screen protectors on. And if you don't know how, watch this video. It's gonna be awesome. You learn some tricks and you'll be an expert by the end of this video. So what we're gonna do is open up this box. My favorite screen protector is from Zagg. I always buy Zagg for my iPhones. I highly recommend it. It's just an easy, simple screen protector. It's really durable. It has a lifetime warranty, so if you crack it, just go to Zagg.com, register your account, register your product, and then after that, if you break one, they just send you a new one by mail. So it's pretty simple. But we're going to open this up here. And this one here is, it says here, after installation, press the Zagg logo for 5 seconds before opening. So we're going to open this up. In this pouch here, you'll have some cleaning supplies for your phone, which is a dust removal sticker. Okay, you have a cleaning wipe for any hard fingerprints, and then you also have a microfiber cloth or a towel. My favorite thing that I typically use is just the microfiber towel, and just wipe any debris from the iPhone. If you have some really nasty greases on your fingers, then you might want to use the wet wipe. But if the phone is relatively brand new and you just got out of the box, then you can just use a microfiber towel. Pretty simple. You want to clean it all up on there, make sure that there is all good. And it feels good. You shine a light towards it, you can see if there's any glare around the phone, if there's any dust around the phone, which there is. So we'll use the sticker here. This is the handy dandy dust removal tool. And we'll just use your 2 fingers, bend it, go all the way, and then just go up and down. Up and down. That way you get all of the dust out, some fingerprints out, and then it doesn't create much of a static electricity, so that way it absorbs all of that. It says here, place phone on pull tab, replace the telephone on let's see here, place pull tab, that's it. So step 2, place it on pull tab, that's it. So you just put the phone pretty clean, and then you put it on here, looks like. And then you have this. You have the cover, and then you pull it. And then when you pull that, you want to press on the Zagg for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you want to open this up. And the phone's right here. And you have some bubbles on here, which is fine. You can just squeeze all that out. And then once you have the bubbles moving away from the middle of the phone screen, you just wipe it down. No lint. It's on there perfectly. So this is amazing. This is nice. So that's the Zagg screen protector there. And then I'll put my Zagg case on the phone, which is the clear case for it. We want to show off that cosmic orange, you know what I'm saying? And then just pop that right in there. And after that, just wipe it down one more time on the cameras, and your phone is ready to be used. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you learned a little bit from putting the screen protector on. It's pretty self-explanatory, but evolutions of screen protector has been immensely evolved over the years. So I hope this one's super easy for you. Grab a Zagg case. I'll put a link down below if you ever want one, so that way you have one for your iPhone 17 or your other phones. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.